The NATURA Filia is a two-tier aviary rearing system. The health and performance of your laying flock is greatly influenced by the way they are raised as pullets. The NATURA Filia was designed to raise pullets that will be moved into a layer house of a similar design, with multiple tiers, perches, and litter aisles for the flock to forage with freedom to move. Not only does this help train birds to navigate the environment, but will also help build muscle strength and good bone density. When your birds are first introduced into the system, they are placed in the lower tier, which allows for easy maintenance and inspection. As your flock grows, they are able to reach the platform within the system. This platform provides your young flock the ability to jump up onto the platform and down from the platform to get feed and water. This activity trains the birds to jump, which is crucial for when they are released into the litter aisle. At about 2 weeks of age, the flock will be split with approximately half of the flock being moved to the top tier. This provides your flock with extra room as they grow. When your flock has reached approximately 4 to 5 weeks of age, the system is opened up to allow complete freedom of movement. They are now able to access the litter aisle by using the ramps and bridges. In the litter aisle, they are able to move freely, forage, scratch, and dust bathe. Lighting and placement of lighting is crucial. Our lighting is designed and placed so that the young birds can easily find the feed and water. Proper lighting also helps as they move throughout the system and environment. The entire flock has easy access to fresh drinking water and feed. As the flock grows, the water line is raised to make drinking easy for the birds. Our Champion chain feeding system distributes an even supply of feed to the entire flock and is easy to access at any time. The perches in our rearing system are fully adjustable and are designed to offer plenty of space for your flock to relax. Bridges and ramps can be used to help the birds move from the litter aisle to the system and from one tier to another easily. These provide ways for the flock to build muscle strength and good bone density, which is crucial for when they move to the adult layer system. In the evening, all the birds re-enter the system. As the lights dim, the birds make their way back into the system to roost for the night. Having the flock inside the system at night allows for good air circulation and properly dried litter. Proper ventilation, along with good bird movement, is essential for proper litter management. Good bird movement allows the manure to dry thoroughly, which is ideal for the hens as they dust bathe, forage, and act out all their other natural behaviors. Provide your flock with quality space and let one of our cage-free specialists assist you in making your cage-free operation a success.